Hi everyone, welcome to Poonam's Kitchen. Today I'm making a strawberry lemonade, but I'm going to convert it into a magic drink. A drink that changes color, that changes flavor with every sip. After every sip you feel as if you're enjoying a new drink. So let's see how to create this magic strawberry lemonade. To make one serving of magic strawberry lemonade, you need 6 medium-sized strawberries. I have already washed them and removed the calyx. I need 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice. You could also take a combination of both, half and half. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt. If you don't have pink salt, you could replace it with regular salt. 100 ml of water and club soda or sparkling water. This one is flavored. You could use plain soda or you could use just water instead of that. I'm now going to puree the strawberries in the food processor. I've got a very nice smooth paste. The paste looks like this. And friends, now is the magic part. I'm not going to put this in the lemonade. I'm going to put this in this ice cube tray. So I'll freeze them for at least 4 to 6 hours till they're frozen well. So this tray now goes into the freezer. The strawberry cubes are now frozen. Just see how beautiful they look. Nice bright red. While they were getting frozen in the freezer, I did a few other things. In the last 15 minutes, I chilled the glass in which I had to make the lemonade. In the freezer, I chilled the sparkling water in the refrigerator, made a sugar syrup using 100 ml of water and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Warmed the water in the microwave for 30 seconds and mixed in the sugar. And I juiced my lemon. I cut this ring out of the lemon. And now is the time to assemble the drink. This is the glass which I had chilled in the freezer. I'll pour in the sugar syrup, the lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt, pink salt, and mix this all up. To this, I'll add sparkling water, mix it all up and add the strawberry cubes. Decorate it with the lemon ring. Your lemonade is ready. Enjoy your magic strawberry lemonade. It's cool, it's refreshing, and it's a treat for all the senses. The cool touch, the fizz, the sound of the fizz, the changing colors. As time will pass, cubes will melt in the lemonade and the color keeps changing. And so does the taste. To begin with, the drink is going to have a dominant citrus flavor. We have added little salt and little sugar to it so that the flavor is balanced. And then as time passes, the taste of the strawberries will mingle with the taste of the lemonade, giving a very, very lovely taste, which is sweet and which is citrusy. We consciously took cold water and cold soda so that it takes a while for the strawberries to melt. So we have very little temperature difference between the soda and the cubes. So keep enjoying this drink. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked my recipe, do give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel, Poonam's Kitchen. See you again with a new recipe, with a new idea. Till then, bye.